The environment impacts everyone. The problem is in Lebanon, the environment is in the background. We started the first initiative trying to fill out the voids.
We promote sustainability throughout our projects.
The purpose is a better environment for everyone. The catalyst for the foundation of the NGO was the civil war in Lebanon. There was a lot of wounded people, a lot of injured soldiers with disabilities that needed to be reintegrated in society. So we try to find specific work that fits their capabilities. And then throughout the years, we started to discover that this Lebanese society needs a lot more. The waste crisis in Lebanon has been ongoing for years now. The landfills are full. We have waste on the streets.
There was no recycling culture, no policies on the environmental level.
We had to find a solution, and we started by doing it ourselves.
Our biggest environmental achievement was the treatment of infectious waste. This kind of waste is highly dangerous.
Hospital waste can carry a lot of diseases. This waste was not treated at all. It was dumped into landfills as is. These wastes should be treated at high temperature, high pressure to minimize the danger of these viruses and diseases. There's a fee of collection and treatment. And that way, the NGO is not only an NGO, it's more like a social enterprise. It's like a full circle. We take from the polluter, we do the treatment, and then we reuse the money we have into other programs, into developing new ideas.
Domaine de Tanaïl is a 2.3 square kilometer plot of land where we are currently implementing many sustainable projects. On this land, we have a sorting and recycling facility. We have a composting unit that is in pilot phase, and we also are working on the biopesticide. It's one of its kind. It is with trial and error that we build a solid foundation for each project that we do. We don't discriminate.
We actually have a lot of people with disabilities in our centers. We try to bring young people with new ideas. We do something in our premises, we try it, and if it's successful, we try to replicate that with local authorities and give them the opportunity to do the work. The faster we can find solutions for the environment, the better. And the fastest way is to spread the knowledge and have other people help.
It's our duty to try as much as possible to reduce the negative environmental impact that we are causing. So at Arcenciel, we work really hard to try to implement this recycling culture within people's minds, because we only have one planet, we only have one place to live.
We are working for our future. We are working for everyone.
Let's rethink how we manage waste.
Join Generation Restoration.